Morning, good morning. Yes, it's me today. I know you had an imposter last time, but I'm back. Um, Today is gonna be a little bit of a recap show of what went on for the second day of the weekend. So you'll get to see, you know, Wayne doing his thing with the kids. And yeah, that's it really. Him did impersonate my good. We never like that. Oh, but me go sing to my baby because I know love this me up how I'm sing to the baby and the baby reacts so excited. Make us now. Good morning to you, and how do you do? She's on first. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, baby Oz. Good morning. Good morning, baby Alex. Good morning, baby Jackson. Good morning, baby Atlas. Oz, you flop me. You flop me wicked. But it's alright, man. This morning while having my coffee, I was visited by 5 parrots who flew into a nearby tree. There's lots of parrots around by where I live, and I sat and I watched them as they perched on the tree and communicated with each other, and they were beautiful. But in no time, they flew off to the next tree. And I thought how lucky they were to be able to fly freely. It made me think about birds who are in cages. You know, often their wings are clipped so they cannot fly away from their owners. But that's not the purpose of birds, is it? The mere clipping of their wings keeps them put and stops them from fulfilling their purpose. From my understanding, the clipped areas do in fact grow back, at which point they're probably clipped again. And it just got me thinking about how each of us have had our wings clipped in some way or another. How many times have we been told things that just keep us in our place and leave us feeling stuck? How many of us are in relationships or jobs that keep clipping our wings? You know, does a sense of security keep you in your very own cage? You know, I want you to think about that as you go about your day today. Who or what keeps clipping my wings? And what is keeping me caged? It could be people or places. It could be beliefs or thought patterns, fears or self-doubt, whatever it may be. It is time to take your power back. Spread those beautiful wings and time to fulfill your true purpose. Sounds like a great time for an affirmation.
Tami, I call her. Hello?
Answer the phone quick though.
No, me I call you all long. I not answer me.
That's not true.
You're busy, I get your massage. Who massage your man or woman? Listen to me.
Oh, it was this great guy called Paul.
What?
Yeah, he's the best on the compound.
No, are you serious?
Yeah, he's amazing.
If me ever know say I get no man massage down there, think me that send it down there. I'm really say I have the master bride in the news.
Bareback.
Bareback, that's why I didn't know me like this one.
Yes.
Listen,
I
you
know.
know, say, me case and come back at home.
The guy to me. You ever ride bareback yet? So I was like, I have 3 kids.
Oh, yes. No, listen. I'm driving up right now.
Where are you going?
2.5
hours.
What else? I'm coming for you right now.
Hello.
Yes, the kids are fine.
Where's Liam?
Did they miss me?
Where's he?
Huh?
Did they miss me?
Yes, they miss you, but they're having fun with their, well, Oz and Atlas is having fun with their dad. Jackson is
Still at that.
Yeah.
Do you miss me?
Still charging?
Yes, I miss you,
Is his mic still charging?
Did you say I just come start on the internet, so we not about a mother thing?
Okay, good. Alright, well I have to go.
Where you have to go?
Because I'm going to take a picture by the ocean now.
Picture by the ocean.
Babe.
Listen to me now. Right,
You see my mom bod pic?
Huh?
I said mom bod. Yeah, babe. Alright, I love you. I have to go.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye.
My pony.
Alright, so this is Chef Twain sitting in for Tami on the fake cooking show. Tami have to know so when she gone, big chef there have to step in. See? She knows she don't snooze, because she snooze, she lose. ingredients and thing. So we put banana there and a little yam. I got the ray, tomato, sweet pepper, onion, garlic there over one side, zin and things. So well, I make sure I say
everything left on it.
yeah. Everything is here. Zin. So we move. Extra careful with the knife you know, because if I cut my finger MTM family now go sorry for me. Because I done prank them already. They want to say, yeah man. A beer that when I jump in the comment section, I have to be extra careful star. Yeah, I love someone. Some of them I say, yo, I can't wait till him chop his finger because somewhere. Told me hear it every top chef I forgot you that something there. Bandage of finger.
The one onion?
And that's something there. Eh?
One onion there.
Yeah.
Very cut up there.
What I must call it?
That is DIY cooking show.
DIY cooking show?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Daddy, do it. Sit.
This is the DIY cooking show, or should I say CI Wayne? Because CI Wayne is for when I'm chefing. Chef it Wayne, okay? Not do it Wayne. Do it Wayne is for when I'm working around the house. Alright everybody, seasoning everything cut up. Think them look nice and pretty. So because you don't know, Ackee not gonna take no whole heap of time to cook, I go to the food now. So I peel the banana, the yam.
Need the flour first.
And need the flour. Zine, so I get to the flour. So I'm lesson this now. You know, needing flour youth, you have to know them something there. I eat that. Don't favor fool, you know. Watch all the thing them pretty people. Well organized. CI Wayne and a normal chef. Everything I feel prim and proper. Cause we are real dapper. Alright everybody, we have our flour now in the pan. So I'm gonna add a little salt to it. Make sure so we work the salt around it, don't want the salt stay one spot. You see me? Alright, Momo, I have to help me with the camera because I have to focus on this thing. Nah, I'm missing. I'm missing. So just go and take time, add water till.
Yeah. People need the flour. One sorry, alright. Put on lip, yeah? Need go in that flour now. Need up a flour. Should I show you if you do it, you know?
How am I do it?
One, need up a flour. People need the flour. Need the flour, Mr. Wayne.
I'm not try to get the whole of it working.
Go in the flour with your hand. You
But it has stick up on my finger, what
yes,
to do?
Listen to me. The way you have to do. But you know, push down the floor like when you're that country, then country man are going in the floor, Mr.
No, but
Wayne.
the whole I stick up on my hand, so I want to know how to do it. If you stick up on my hand, so,
Go around with the floor.
or more water for add.
No, you're boil it.
That's really dough. That's really dough, right, Daddy?
Yes, though.
Need up the floor, Mr. Wayne.
Flour is just gonna
You
get on it. and
you
it's
need a
being
little more
stuck.
flour to put on it.
Flour, move your hand, move your hand, move your hand.
So cushy. It's so
You need more flour?
Yeah, a little bit.
You sure?
Mr. Wayne, a little more flour.
Daddy?
That?
Yeah.
Alright, need up the flour.
Yeah.
You want me to do it for you?
Yeah, they not going to do it if me can manage it. I joke this.
But the people them have to see with you, because first time they do it.
I want to I think like say, you can't intimidate me, you know.
Come, Mr. Wayne, come. You can't manage it. I'll show you.
Vroom, vroom.
That's something there. Too much water, you make me put more.
I know me make you put in there.
Eh?
Come.
See that? We're making pizza.
See the door there now. MoMo sort it out proper. I say go, me have to take time go and learn this something them little. Don't go around it. It's a process.
It looks so
Rome was not
smushy.
built in a day.
Hey, look.
You tape in?
Yeah. When the water start boiling up, the dumplings go in.
See
Alright,
that
so-
now? See that now?
So now, what we do now? We
One
build
make
the way
the
it means
flour,
that them.
make the people them sit so you have to jam it together.
Now see that. It look good.
It look good?
Yeah, it look good.
Alright, Papa. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the same way back in there, sir.
Well, the dumpling, they don't look bad for the first.
And now look, Daddy. And now look,
It not
Dad.
tape.
Hey.
It not tape?
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
And now
Come,
look.
no, you have to point it on this so the people can see what's going on.
I know.
Look at the dumplings. See there? Let me see your hand. Guys, look at your hand, Mr. Wayne and making the dumpling.
Until this coming like art and craft
No,
back in the
no, I
day.
have to try.
Listen,
Excuse me,
man.
at last.
I have to
Excuse
really
me.
try that.
Excuse me.
Daddy, let me try.
At last,
You
can you
can
come
customize the dumpling them. Oh, you
See them
like
there,
them.
guys? See the
Oh my-
dumplings them there?
Can I try?
Look
Please?
at him.
Hold on. Don't touch
Chef
Atlas.
Marshall making dumpling. See it? Rolling the dumpling like when you're making chocolate. See there? Yes, look at his fingers moving up.
Eddie, can I try, please?
Yeah, piece there.
And there. I'm going to put banana. I'm going to peel the banana too, you know. You not peel none. I'm going to peel all the banana them. Look at the dumpling. Not bad, guys. Not bad. The first.
I don't
dumpling.
believe it's just finished.
He's learning. People, you peel banana. He's peeling
Tell a
banana.
lie. Something where you swear say did it easy.
He's peeling banana, people.
Something where you swear say was 1, 2.
And I lift up nothing.
And I really 1, 2. Show them something.
Alright, knife if you use. A knife if you use that. Peel one more banana, make the people then see.
Oh,
Make the people then see how you peeling banana. Don't peel it. Zoom it down for you know. Zoom it down. It's not bad, that one day. Yeah, go on. Go on. Yes. Banana peel.
lime in a water, country people style.
Yes.
Alright, so what you say now?
Alright, now leave that and then you peel a piece of yam, put in the pot.
Oh, yam peel. It have a wash
Use a little small knife. That's too big. See it here?
and peel it out, so?
No, turn it the other way.
So?
No, never.
Alright, come show me.
A piece of peeling, just this way.
What is this?
See it there? You finish your rest.
Then what is this?
Easy peeler.
See it there?
No, you're reaching right now. You're reaching.
Huh?
You are reaching.
No, I'm trying to get something. What?
Don't jump the yam.
I know what to get.
Don't jump the yam.
Don't do it, don't what?
Don't do it digging at the yam too much.
What the yam do have feelings?
That's a little piece. Yeah.
So?
Yeah, go on down. Go on again. Alright, the bottom part not good enough, I see. But slice it. Alright. No more slicing. Let me see that piece.
I saw yam slimy. What mean no good? What do it?
Cut off the
Slimy.
end part. Look at end part. You know what now? You have to wash that, you know.
Yeah.
You have to hurry up.
Why?
Hurry up, Marcy.
Why am I for hurry up?
Come in and like it again, going.
The ackee, about the ackee we get, so it kind of, wait, we would have to pre-cook it from last night. So that done cooked down already, so we really just need to get everything together and just dash in a pot. It now got that long.
Pick up this.
You see me? Picking out with saltfish. You don't want it too flaky in them. You want some nice little bits. So I'm not going to pick it out too fine. But also not too big neither. That's the thing, when you cook, you can do it to your liking. Salt, man, even though it name the taste piece. It's no salt.
3 times I boil out this, Miss Irene. 3 times.
3 times? Right, I did no salt for June. Forgot to add salt. Boil it out too much. Cause sometimes you expect the way it named for salt the pot. If it boil out too much, I forgot to add little salt, you know the chefs.
There's people.
Got the first steak?
Yeah. Season or fry up. Put in the tomato too.
Put the tomato in there now?
Yeah, put in the tomato.
Alright, now, see it there now? We'll finish now, the boilings and everything good. Can turn off the fire there now. Alright, let me tell you something now. You see when people do something for the first time and it catch so good, that means it's a natural talent. Don't go around me here.
Jesus, really pretty.
Tessie
Wow,
thought
I
the
never
truth.
mash out the academy leaves, some of them all up.
Yeah, because I have to take time when I turn it and turn it over.
That's amazing, bro. I wish I could taste it.
Tessie is allergic to ackee now. She'll have a last minute allergic reaction in her late part of life.
Yeah.
Messed up.
God,
They soon catch back, man.
worse.
Father God will bring you through it.
All late.
Yeah, no? But no, Tessie,
Win.
shellings.
So you roll them dumpling there?
Yeah.
You make them not eat tight?
Tight, of course. Look at my dumpling.
What about the banana? Banana nice and soft.
Yeah, watch out. Watch out. Mash it.
Yeah.
Easy mash.
Yeah.
Easy mash.
Proud of you, bro.
Yeah, man. A proper thing, man.
Yo, put up some put out all time. Can't eat it,
There it is now.
Food is nice, my general.
I just woke up from evening. Now I'm just waking up and see Daddy here eating food. And now see there. See the dumpling there. Me and Daddy cooked it. And see the banana there. And both.
Nice people.
Daddy.
Alex and me cooking and nobody going like say you don't know what going here. Just wake up, you know.
Hey, Daddy. Relax, sure. Should give me
Yes, yeah,
some
good.
of his corn?
So the people must say, oh, Alex have one thing when we ain't cook. It's shot, man, it's shot.
Curry.
Eh?
The curry.
Anything I'm cook, it's shot, man, it's shot. They say, I hear it. Yeah. Don't go, it's shot this time. And if it's shot, find something else.
Shot, man.
Yeah, I come check my barber. Don't know. Time to get a little duck up. You see it? Come on. You can check him out right Face Forward Barber right Ackee Patch.
Best of the
Plaza. Best of the best, you see it?
No stress.
No stress. You see me? Because remember say when you come at your barber and just trimming up, your barber have to can reason and deep and know things. You know some barber shop thing go to Jamaica, you see me? Back in business.
Your hair looks strange. See?
I see nothing yet. Come and buy my shreps. Watch you see all them great hair, me and them. Watch me and them, I know. Sorry people, me know me say me done with it, but me not perfect, you know. Me turn back. Anyway, as me tell you, my addiction a kick in, me a feel right now. I'll be right back.
And there's us just...
Better yet, I'll be right back.
And there's...
Hey guys, I'm black. Yeah, young and fresh again. You see what I say?
Oh my God, why...
Come here and the grey hairs, them design a little truce what they are, but them violate first, you know, because them say them are come with a certain amount of numbers and them overdo it. Yeah, and them broke the truce first. So right now, me and them back at war again, you see me? I wonder what Tami I gonna say when you see this. I'm sorry for you, Tami, because every day they are hairdresser and I fix up and pedicure, manicure and island tour. I'm sorry for you. I have to keep fresh and clean too. We're doing an update on the Logan tree right now. If you look at first glance, you might think, wow, these trees are gone. But if you look carefully, people, there is life. The tree is catching with careful effort and care, watering, little love. The tree is back, it's catching. So you know what that means now. That means sometimes you find yourself in a certain environment and you have to move. You have to take yourself out of that environment to grow and to thrive. If you stay there, you probably just wither away and die. Zine, so keep that in mind. Sometimes you have to lift up out of a certain environment, go to a new environment, and chances are that's where you're going to blossom. They're back. The runaways are here.
Runaway Bay.
Runaway Bay is here. Bay, runaway.
Come here. Come here, Jamaica. You're not giving me hugs?
Hug up your mommy. Carry what?
Hi, stalker.
Yo, so you couldn't pretend like I was your dad one at a time and pretend that I was your brother one at a time? Tami, you're loved.
You look nice.
Loved it.
That's
Hey.
what's
Do you have anything? Oh, brought back the soda.
Like, you got that?
up. Was it awesome?
It was awesome.
So amazing, right?
Yes. You organized an amazing weekend. She's a boss. Can you organize a weekend for us to where you figure out things and you're like, guys, at 1 o'clock you're gonna do this. And
Any
then at 3
hangovers
o'clock,
or weird stories?
No,
unfortunately
nothing like that.
Was it just a
Nothing
great
like
girls
that.
weekend?
And that
Yeah.
one guy who massaged us.
Yeah.
That who?
You said not even one.
I said that one.
Oh,
guy.
that one.
Love you, Care. Thank you so much. Atlas, say bye, Auntie Carrie. Say bye-bye.
No.
So Jackson not home yet?
No, Jackson is staying over another night.
Again?
Yes.
I don't.
Da, 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 da.
You sing it out, Oz.
Yo!
Like a diamond in the sky. How I wonder what you are.
That's right.
Dance there.